Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu may yahdihillah fala mudhillalah wa may yudlil fala hadiyalah wa ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amma ba'd. Para pendengar Bahasa Adab TV yang dimuliakan Allah, saat ini kita sudah sampai pada pelajaran ke-25, Ad-Darsu Al-Khamisu Wal-Aisaruna. Seperti biasa, sebelum kita membahas lebih detail bab 25 ini, mari kita pelajari bersama apa saja yang akan dibahas di pelajaran ke-25. Points to remember. Hal-hal yang perlu diingat. In this lesson, we learn the following. Di pelajaran ini, pelajaran ke-25 ini kita akan belajar hal-hal berikut. Yang pertama, yakni tentang kana. We were introduced to kana in book 3. Kita telah belajar kana di buku yang ketiga. We learn more about it here. And kita akan belajar lebih banyak di pelajaran ini. Kana is used in nominal sentences. Kana digunakan dalam kalimat nominal. After its introduction, setelah pengenalan, the mubtada is called ismu kana. Jadi after its introduction, setelah kana ini masuk dalam satu kalimat nominal, the mubtada is called ismu kana. Jadi apabila ada susunan kalimat nominal, yakni mubtada dan khobar, kemudian kemasukan kana, maka mubtada tidak lagi disebut sebagai mubtada, tetapi dia disebut sebagai ismu kana. And the khobar is khobar kana. Kemudian khobarnya juga disebut sebagai khobar kana. The khobar kana is mansub. Kemudian khobarnya dia dibaca mansub. Ya, for example, al-ma'u baridun. The water is cold. Kemudian kemasukan kana al-ma'u baridun. The water was cold. The water was cold. Here are some more example. Zainabu maridun. Zainab is sick. Kemudian kemasukan kana, kanat Zainabu maridatan. Zainab was sick. Al-jawu jamilun. Al-jawu jamilun. The weather is good. Kana al-jawu jamilan. The weather was good. If the khobar is a prepositional phrase, it remains without any change. For example, apabila khobarnya dalam bentuk kalimat preposisi, yaitu susunan jar dan majrur, maka dia tetap atau tidak berubah. Contoh, al-mudarrisu fil fasli. The teacher is in the class. Kana al-mudarrisu fil fasli. Kana al-mudarrisu fil fasli. The teacher was in the class. The teacher was in the class. La yazalu, it means he is still. It is one of the sisters of kana and act exactly like kana. For example, Bilalun maridun. Bilal is sick. La yazalu Bilalun maridun. Bilal is still sick. Bilalun maridun, Bilal is sick. La yazalu Bilalun maridun. Maridan. La yazalu Bilalun maridun. La yazalu Bilalun maridun. Bilal is still sick. Maryamu talibatun. Maryam is a student. La tazalu Maryamu talibatan. La tazalu Maryamu talibatan. Maryam is still a student. Ibrahimu fil mustashfa. Ibrahim is in the hospital. La yazalu Ibrahimu fil mustashfa. Ibrahim is still in the hospital. Ibrahim is still in the hospital. The i'rab abun akhun, we have learned in book 2 that when these two words are mudhaf, they take a wawu. Apabila akhun dan abun, apabila dia mudhaf, maka dia ditambah dengan wawu. Abu Bilalin, Akhu Hamidin, Abuka Akhuka. Ya. This wawu is the marfu ending. When it is mansub, the wawu changes to alif, and when it is a majrur, it changes to ya. Aina, contoh marfu. Aina abuka, where is your father? A'rifu abaka, A'rifu abaka, I know your father. Mada kulta li abika, Mada kulta li abika, Mada kulta li abika, what did you tell your father? Mada kulta li abika, what did you tell your father? Here is an example. Akhu, ya, marfu. Aina dhahaba akhuha, where did her brother go? Ara'aita akhaha, do you see her brother? Adhahabta ila akhiha, did you go to her brother? Min qabl, we know that qabla and ba'da are always mudhaf. For example, waraja'tu ba'da salati, I went to the mosque before the no. Dhahabtu ilal masjidi qabla adhani, waraja'tu ba'da salati. Ya, dhahabtu ilal masjidi qabla al-adhani, I went ilal masjidi, to the mosque, qabla adhani, before adhan. Waraja'tu, and I returned, ba'da salati, after the salat. If the mudhaf ilaih is omitted, qabla and ba'da become mabni, and they always have a dhammah. For example, ya, jadi apabila mudhaf ilaihnya itu nggak ada, maka qabla dan ba'da menjadi mabni, and they always have dhammah, dan dia selalu dhammah. Ya. My father now, Abi al-ana mudirun. Abi, my father, al-ana, right now, mudirun is director. Wakana, and he was min qablu mudarrisun, and before that he was a teacher. Ya, min qablu mudarrisun. Abi in this sentence, min qablu is for min qabli dhalika, before that. Min qabli dhalika, before that, before being a headmaster, but the mudhaf ila dhalika has been omitted. Min qabli dhalika. min qabl. Jadi gini ya. Jadi kalau dia susunannya itu tidak dalam keadaan mudhof, susunan idhofat, maka dia mabni dan selalu dhammah. Karena sebetulnya ada kata-kata dzalika min qabli dzalika, kemudian dzalikanya dihilangkan sehingga dia tetap menjadi mabni dan dhammah. Here is an example of ba'du. Adhabu al-ana ilal maktabati wa sa'adhabu ilal masjidi min ba'du. Adhabu, I'm no adhabu al-ana ilal maktabati. Adhabu, I go to right now ilal maktabati, to the library, wa sa'adhabu, and I will go to ilal masjidi, to the mosque, min ba'du, after that, min ba'du, after that, min ba'du, min ba'du, after that. Here ba'du, min ba'du is for min ba'dihi or min ba'di dhalik, after it or after that. Lillahil amru min qablu wa min ba'du. The decisions of the matter before and after is only Allah. Ya. Marda is the plural of maridun. The plural form is mamnu'un minas sarf and so has no tanwin. Here are some more example. Ya, mardo itu jamaknya maridun. Qatilun is killed person, pluralnya qatla. Asirun, prisoner. Asirun, pluralnya asro. Jarihun, wounded persons, pluralnya jarha. Ahmaku, stupid, pluralnya hamqa. Baik, ini ada vocabulary. Safirun, ambassador, duta besar ya. Mufattisun, inspector. Mufattishun, inspector. Mufattishun, inspector. Surtiyun, policeman ya. Surtiyun, policeman. Amidun, dean of faculty, principal of college, dekan ya. Mutaqa'idun, retire. Jami'ul anha'il alami, all part of the world. Jami'u anha'il alami. Ya, all parts of the world. Taraka yatruku, to leave. Allafa yu'allifu, to write a book. To write a book. 25th lesson, atau ad-darsu al-khamis wal 'ishruna. Ini ada dialog antara al-mudarris sama Umar. Al-mudarris, aina anwaru ya Umar? Where is the anwar, hai Umar? Dan Umar menjawab, la adri, I don't know. Ra'aituhu qabla qalilin. I saw him shortly before. Kana wakifan kharij al-fasli. He was standing outside the class. He was wakifan, standing kharij al-fasli, outside the class. Dia berdiri di luar kelas. Kaifa halu Ammarin al-ana ya Sa'du? How is Ammar conditions right now ya Sa'du, hai Sa'ad? Kana maridun mundu usbu'in. he was maridon, sick منذ أسبوعين, since a week. كان مريضا منذ أسبوعين. He was sick since a week. لا يزال مريضا يا فضيلة الشيخ. He is still sick ya fadilat syekh. Wahai syekh yang terhormat. La yazalu maridan ya fadilat syekh. He is still sick ya syekh. Sami'tu annahu yuridu ayyatruka al-jami'ata wa yarji'u ila baladihi. Asahihun hadha? Sami'tu annahu yuridu ayyatruka al-jami'ata wa yarji'a ila baladihi. Asahihun hadha? Sami'tu, I heard, annahu, that, yuridu, he want, ayyatruka, to leave al-jami'ata, this university, wa yarji'a, and return ila baladihi, to his country. Asahihun hadha? Is this correct? Ya, saya mendengar bahwa dia mau meninggalkan universitas dan kembali ke negaranya. Apakah ini benar? Ya. La hadha ghairu sahihin. La, no, hadha, this is ghairu sahihin, not correct. Mada ya'malu abuka ya Ibrahimu? What is your father do? Hai Ibrahim. Sami'tu annahu wazirun. Sami'tu annahu wazirun. I heard that he is minister. Sami'tu annahu wazirun. I heard that he is minister. Kana waziran qabla sanataini. He was minister for 2 years. Huwa al-ana safirun. He is ambassador right now. He is ambassador right now. He is ambassador right now. Wa madha ya'malu abuka ya Amru? And what is your father do, hai Amr? Qala li ahadu zumalaika innahu mudarrisun. Qala li, someone said to me, ahadu zumalaika, one of your friend, innahu mudarrisun, that he is a teacher. Kana mudarrisan min qablu. He was teacher before. Yes, kana mudarrisun min qablu. He was teacher before that. Wa huwa al-ana mufattishun fil mudaris tsanawiyati. Wa madha ya'malu abuka ya Ya'qubu? And what is your father do, hai Ya'qub? Dan apa yang dikerjakan bapakmu, hai Ya'qub? Kana surtiyan. He was police. Huwa al-ana mutaqa'idun. Huwa al-ana mutaqa'idun. He is right now retired. Ya Aba Bakrin, qulta li qabla 3 sanawatin. inna abaka amidu kulliyatil handasati amutaqaidun huwa al-ana. Ya Aba Bakrin, qulta li qabla 3 sanawatin inna abaka amidu kulliyatil handasati amutaqaidun huwa al-an. Ya Aba Bakrin, qulta li qabla 3 sanawatin ya Aba Bakrin, qulta li qabla 3 sanawatin inna abaka amidu kulliyatil handasati amutaqaidun huwa al-an. Ya Aba Bakrin, hai Abu Bakar, qulta li, you said to me qabla 3 sanawatin, 3 years ago, inna abaka, that your father, amidu kulliyatil handasati, was dean of the College of Engineering, amutaqaidun huwa al-an. Is he retired right now? La yazalu amidan. No, he still as dean. Ya akhtaru, sami'tu anna akhaka tabibun syahirun wa ya'tihi al-marda man jami'i anha'i Pakistana asahihun hadha. Ya Akhtar, hai Akhtar, sami'tu, I heard, anna akhaka, that your brother, tabibun sahirun, is a famous doctor. Wa ya'tihi al-marda, and patients came to him from all around the Pakistan. Asahihun hada, is this correct? Ya Akhtaru, samitu anna akhaka tabibun syahirun wa ya'tihi al-marda min jami'i anha'i Pakistana. Asahihun hada? Naam, hada sahihun ya fadilatus shaykh. Ya fadilatus shaykh. Naam, hada sahihun ya fadilatus shaykh. Ya Uthmanu, idhab ilal maktabati wahati al-juz'a as-salitha min lisanil Arab. Ya Uthman, idhab ila al-maktabati. Idhab ila al-maktabati. Hai Uthman, please go to the library. Wahati, and give me, or take al-juz'a as-salitha, and take al-juz'a as-salitha, the third juz from the book of Lisanul Arab. Ya fadilat al-shaykh, adhannu anna Lisanul Arabi mu'jamun. Hi Sheikh, adhannu, I think, anna, that Lisanul Arab mu'jamun. Lisanul Arab is a dictionary. Naam, huwa mu'jamun kabirun fi Naam, huwa mu'jamun kabirun fi 20 juz'an. Yes, it is a dictionary with 20 juz. Liman huwa ya fadilatus shaykh? For who this dictionary, hai fadilatus shaykh? Ya, huwa li Ibni Mangdur. It is for Ibni Mangdur. Ya jawab Uthman. Al-maktabatu mughlaqatun al-ana ya shaykh. Ya al-maktabatu mughlaqatun al-ana ya shaykh. Yaquluna innaha kanat maftuhatan ila sa'atil 'ashirati. The library is closed right now. Ya Sheikh, I Sheikh yaquluna, they said innaha that it will maftuhatan, it will open ila sa'atil ashirah at 10 o'clock. Ya Abbasu kulli akhika alladhi yadrusu fi sanati athaniyati ya'tini ghadan. Kulli akhika, please tell to your brother, alladhi yadrusu, who study fi sanati athaniyati, in third level, ya, ya'tini to visit me ghadan, tomorrow. Sa'aqulu lahu insyaallah, I will tell to him insyaallah. Oke, tamarin ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Aina kana Anwaru wakifan? Where is Anwar was standing? Ayuridu Ammaru ayyatroka al-jami'ata. Ayuridu Ammarun ayyatroka al-jami'ata. Will Ammar want to leave the university? Ayuridu Ammarun ayyatroka al-jami'ata. Ayuridu Ammarun ayyatroka al-jami'ata. Minal ladhi abuhu syafirun. Man alladhi abuhu syafirun? Who the father is ambassador. Whose father is ambassador. Whose father was ambassador. Man alladhi abuhu syurtiyun mutaqaidun. Who is the father was retired police. Man dhahaba ilal maktabati. Man allafa lisanal man allafa lisanal arabi. Siapa yang menulis kitab Lisanul Arab? Ini tadi menulis ya, ini ya. Huwa li ibnil Mangdur. Dia itu ini maaf ya, ini tadi ya. Ini huwa li ibnil Mangdur. Ya, liman huwa ya fadilatus syekh. Siapa pengarang daripada, who is the author of the Lisanul Arab? Huwa li ibni Mangdurin. He is Ibnu Mangdur. Fi kam juz'an huwa? How many juz it is? Akanat al-maktabatu maftuhatan? Is the library open? Itu ya. Qara'a mithalain thumma adkhalkana ala jumlatil atiyah. Hamidun maridun al-an. Kana Hamidun maridun amsa. Zainabu talibatun. Kanat Zainabu talibatan. Al-ma'u baridun. Al-babu kana ya. Kana al-ma'u baridun. Kana al-babu maftuhan. An-nafidata mughlaqatun. Hasimun mudarrisun. Hasim is a student. Ar-rijalu nasraniyun. The man is Nasrani. Al-jawu baridun. The weather is cold. Al-mudiru jalisun fi ghurfatihi. The director is sitting in his room. هذه الساعة رخيصة. هذه الساعة رخيصة. هذه الساعة رخيصة. رخيصة. هذه الساعة رخيصة. هذه الساعة رخيصة. This watch is cheap. Umaru tajirun ghaniyun. Umar is a rich trader. Ya. Ammuna mudiru mudarrisin. Our uncle is director of school director. Hamidun talibun, mubtada khobar tadi udah dijelaskan ya. Kana Hamidun talibun isim kana dan khobar inna. Isim kana marfu'un wa khabru kana mansubun. Jadi kalau kemasukan kana, isim kananya itu adalah marfu dan khobar kananya itu mansub. Baik. Iqra al-mithalaini. Read the two example. Thumma adkhul la yazalu al-jumal al-atiyati. Ya. Ini contohnya ya. Ibrahim naimun, ini juga sama. Kemarin udah dijelaskan ya, tadi sebelumnya udah dijelaskan. Oke, samun. Oke, ini juga sudah semuanya sudah. Oke, ini juga sudah. Baik, itu saja pelajaran kali ini. Silahkan untuk latihan-latihannya dikerjakan agar kita ingat dengan khususnya terhadap kosakata baru dan juga penggunaan kana maupun la yazalu. Baik, sampai ketemu di pelajaran berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.